Not every Placencia stay needs to be in the middle of the village. This is Caribbean Way, one of the quieter residential stretches along the Placencia Peninsula. From above, you can see what makes this area different. It has more space, less traffic, and a calmer pace than the busier parts of Placencia Peninsula. The homes here are spread out. The surroundings feel open, and the area gives you that slower coastal rhythm many travelers are actually looking for when they come to Belize. Caribbean Way is best for guests who want privacy and comfort while still being connected to the wider peninsula. This is not the place for someone who wants restaurants, bars, and shops right outside the door. That is not the promise here. The promise is peace, space, and a home-style stay where you can start the morning slowly, enjoy the breeze, and return to quiet after a day of exploring. For families, this area can make a lot of sense. There is more room to settle in, less movement around you, and a better feeling of having your own space. For couples, it works well if the goal is a quiet escape rather than a busy resort atmosphere. For longer stay guests, Caribbean Way offers the kind of practical comfort that makes Belize feel less like a quick stop and more like somewhere you can actually live for a while. A golf cart or vehicle is recommended here. That gives you the freedom to move up and down the peninsula at your own pace. Placencia Village, restaurants, shops, tour operators, beach bars, and other local spots are still reachable, but you are not sleeping in the middle of the noise. That distinction matters. Some travelers want to be steps from nightlife. Others want to visit the activity, then come home to stillness. Caribbean Way is for the second kind of traveler. It is also a good fit for guests who want to explore more than one part of the peninsula. You can head toward Placencia Village for dining, tours, and local culture, or closer toward quieter beaches, Maya Beach, and other laid-back experiences. So, who is Caribbean Way really for? It is for families who want breathing room, couples who want calm over crowds, travelers who like independence, guests who are comfortable using a golf cart or vehicle, and anyone who wants the Placencia Peninsula without needing to be in the center of everything every minute of the day. It may not be the right fit if you want to walk everywhere or have nightlife at your doorstep, but if you want a quieter base, more space, and a slower side of coastal Belize, Caribbean Way in the northernmost part of the Placencia Peninsula makes a lot of sense. Book confidently. Stay comfortably with flowersvacationrentals.com.